Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online language lessons. This week in the news, I noticed that our Prime Minister here in the UK, Boris Johnson, is busy trying to lure Russian scientists who are fed up with Putin's regime over here to the UK. I'm guessing this is partly because the penny is slowly dropping and he's realising that many of our best scientists and researchers have actually left the UK and gone back to the EU because of Brexit. However, I do know that there are huge numbers of people who have decided to leave Russia since the war started on February the 24th. Last time I read, it was something like 4 million people had already fled the country. And generally, this is a kind of brain drain. This is the best and the brightest leaving in search of opportunities elsewhere in a country where their tax dollars won't fund wars that they're opposed to. Basically, people have been leaving in their droves. If you talk about people coming or going to places in droves or in their droves, it basically means in large numbers. So if there's a very successful new show suddenly appears, like a musical or a play or something, people come in their droves to see it. And maybe during the holiday season, during peak season, people flock to the most popular resorts in their droves. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button. Make sure you share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comment section below, we'd love to see how you might use in their droves.